What's up YouTube, this is boy G back in another video. I ordered a sticker. It's pretty cheap actually. It's just around if I'm not mistaken, around 700 pesos. Very cheap. However, it's ridiculously big. Like, what is this? So I thought it's gonna come in a box or something, but it came in like a cardboard or something like this. And there's a lot of markings. Says fragile here, fragile there. Please do not fold, bend, thank you. And it's just bubble wrap everywhere. It's super awesome. Now, this is not a sponsored video in any way, but I would just like to shout out to, of course, the owner, right, the vendor for this one. It's TechBeast. If you can see that, TechBeast. Now, I just found them in Lazada, and they have awesome stickers. You know, Gundam. What else did I see there? Anime, things like that. And it's pretty cool. They have like Sasuke and Naruto. I super love their design. So this one, I believe it's a Gundam with a little combination of black and white. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Ooh, this is looking fancy, y'all. Wow, TechBeast. Shout out TechBeast. Did a good job. I'm just impressed on the effort of such art and colors and materials, because at that price, you can just basically skim all of this. I don't need this. As a matter of fact, people doesn't really need that, especially in 700 pesos. But it looks like your company is really doing wonders in this one. Shout out. I really appreciate that. So let me get the sticker inside. And the sticker, of course, just for the Steam Deck, which is pretty small. But it's very rigid that it wouldn't really damage the sticker at all. Wow. Let's see if we can get a couple of stickers there. TechBeast. So if you need, again, this is not a sponsored video, right? I'm just really impressed on their packaging and then presentation. So if you're looking for skin for your Steam Deck, I've actually seen in Lazada, right? I believe they're also in Shopee, that they're also providing skins for others, for mobile phones or something. So think of D-brand. They're kind of like D-brand, at least for skins. So, in the Philippines, I believe they're probably looking in Tarlac or something like that in the north. So if you need, for your sticker needs, for your protective sticker needs, TechBeast is the guy. So I do have a couple of TechBeast sticker here. We also have a cleaning cloth here. Sorry for the fur. I have a dog here, but it's removing the fingerprint easily without scratching it. At least the screen protector. That's a tempered glass. There's no installation guide though, so it's gonna look like this. This is Gundam, right? Wing 0, Proto 0, and then on the back it's gonna be something like this as well. All right, so let me go ahead and try to install this one by one right now. All right, I just quickly checked their website. They're available in Lazada and Shopee, and they're actually advertising this as like really ultra high quality. They don't use low quality stickers and whatnot. This is original 3M rubberized vinyl, all right, ultra matte texture. So if you notice, it's not shiny, and I appreciate that because the original one is also matte. So that's matte, and 7 years max lifespan, right? It's even gonna outlast your actual deck, right? On the quality itself. It's also water resistant, and it's again original 3D rubberized vinyl, and it's non-fading. It's not gonna leave sticky residue, as per their advertisement, but we're gonna be the judge of that. But we're gonna install this right now, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, how the progress, step by step. So let me remove this case first, so we can start putting the sticker. So be very careful not to damage the actual buttons, and of course scratch the surface of the Steam Deck itself. So it's coming off right now. If you notice, once it's off on the top, you can just pull it upwards to pull the rest of the bottom material. One thing that would like to feedback though from the store is maybe like a video guidance on how to install it appropriately. If they have like some techniques on their own, right? Maybe they can provide one so that you can use that as a benchmark of installing this, right? All right, so we got the back. On the side, it's good. Here, it's good. It's perfect on the top as well. And we're gonna put a case on it anyway, so it's not really a big deal. We just have to make sure that we're protecting the plastic, the original material, the housing, so that again, it's not gonna scratch or experience wear and tear. Let's start with the XYAB buttons first. Not too shabby. Let's go ahead and seal them with some blower. So let's do this black stuff first. All right, so we're done with the top one or the front. So if you notice, it's not really big, big change. It's still black, which I prefer, right? Most of the part, it's still black. I'm gonna put some sticker here and then the rest of the side here. And then lastly, the top part. But that's how it looks. And then on the back, it looks like this, which is pretty sweet. So let me complete that and I'll be right back. All right, finally I'm done with this installation, man. It's difficult, right? I mean, if you notice on the right side, there's a lot of folds there. I don't think you can do anything about that because of the shape. There are excess materials, of course, but it's good because again, it's going to be covered by my case. So it's a very good thing that I do have a case. I don't need to hold that because that's kind of irritating. But on the bottom, it looks perfect. It's good. On the top, it's good. It's also perfect. And on the back, it's fully covered as well. So all of the material at least is covered now, except from this one, which will basically be covered by the case itself. So let me just install the case here and let's see how it looks like afterwards. All right, so that's how it looks like to install that skin, right? Again, this is from TechBeast. Once more, I'm not affiliated or I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm really amazed on this quality. So I'm definitely endorsing them. I might even purchase another design to them, from them once they have, new designs or whatnot. But if you notice, the buttons, are now blue and red here, so you can definitely differentiate that. Of course, no change in the feeling. It's still good. What I like is this. If you notice, it now has a design versus the very, very boring, just plain design of the Steam Deck, right? Now this one are red, and this one, I did not replace them. I just left them like that. And on the bottom, you can see a little bit of sticker there, but the case is now installed, right? This is the one that I have with stand. As you can see, the stand of that is pretty rigid. It's really, really looking good. On the top, you can see the blue sticker there. It's also perfect. That's the sticker. So it's looking good. You won't really see a lot, especially on the back, because it's covered by that case. But nonetheless, it's going to be protecting the actual Steam Deck material, right? At the time that you need to sell it, it's going to be pristine, right? That's the main purpose of that. Because you might be wondering, why are you like purchasing something like that? If you're gonna cover it with case anyway. So that's for the wear and tear. All right, but that's all for today, guys. Again, click the like if you like this video, subscribe. I'm going to upload a lot of Steam Deck related videos like this. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything. I definitely check my comments all the time, so I will definitely answer on that one. But that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, guys, and see you on my next one. Peace.